But Ejike, I'm leaving.
Why is your face like this now? Should I leave food for you to eat now? Eh?
It's not about the food. It's about my WAEC registry. You know I have less than 3 weeks and 3 days to register. And what's even the essence of going to school if I can't pay up? Yeah? Even my classmates are laughing at me because of the constant reminder.
It's okay. It's okay, yeah? See, God will provide. Man, there's this football match we're supposed to play today, and see, you know your brother now. I will score a shot for me, and once I do, they will add bonus to my money. That way I'm running straight to your school to pay for your registration, eh?
Okay. Eh? I'm so grateful for everything you do. It's just that sometimes I feel like I'm putting so much pressure on you.
No. See, Cheta, relax. I'm your elder brother. It's my responsibility to take care of you. Eh? All I need you to do is pray for me. I'll just get one better club like this. We go sign me. You know, say I'm good now. Once they sign me like this, things go change. Eh? We'll change our life.
I know. I know you will.
But yeah, off to school. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, take care.
I'll see you later.
Yep.
I'm talking to you. Hold on. Check that.
What?
Why you being unnecessarily stubborn? Are you being serious right now? Okay, listen. Let me just put it in plain and simple English. Okay? I want us to be together. Alright? See, I'm obviously the cutest guy in this school. Okay? And you're the finest girl here. So just imagine the combo.
Derek, I have told you so many times that I do not want to have anything to do with you. I can never be interested in you. Don't you understand?
Why? No, seriously, why? Is it because of that papa? Listen, I still don't understand what you see in this boy. He can't even provide for you. He can't even take care of you. To be very honest, the only thing that boy has going for him is the fact that he knows book. And who book help for this country?
At least people can be proud to defend their results. Unlike people who buy everything because they have money. See, please just leave me alone. Let me just go in peace.
And what if I don't? Eh? You think you can just talk to me anyhow and just leave?
No, I don't want to talk to you.
And what if I do? Are you mad? I'll do. What? You're a bastard! I'll deal with you. This is not over.
Please.
I'm going to deal with you.
Stop this.
This is not over. Bastard!
Oh my God.
You don't even know why that fool cannot stay in his league.
Stop fighting.
I know what to do.
Uche, please stop fighting. I already told him I'll never accept him.
Then he needs to stay away from you and stop disturbing you. What if I had not shown up? Who knows what would have happened? You know, the next time I see him, I'll make sure I punch his face so that he learns.
No, Uche, we're not punching anybody. Uche.
What are you doing here?
Please, don't start with me. Maybe you should ask your mom why she told my mom's driver not to come pick me up. And after that, we go together. Because they are besties and opposite neighbor.
See, I don't understand this game that your mom and my mom are trying to play. But let's just get one thing straight. I don't like you. You're not my type and we can never be friends.
And I don't like you either. And I can never like you. You are proud, arrogant, and full of yourself. I can't deal.
Look who's talking. Just look at yourself. See, let me tell you something. My 1 month allowance alone can pay up to 5 teacher salaries at this school. So yes, I am proud. Because I am Derek. Okay?
See, I really don't have time for this. Can we leave, please?
Leave where? Use the other door. I mean, you don't know that this is where the owner of the car sits.
Chief, there's no cause for alarm, okay?
Yes.
You'll be fine, okay? Just need a bed rest and everything will be fine.
Exactly what I've been saying, Daddy. Thank God the doctor just confirmed this. You need to rest. Daddy, you work too hard as if you're in your 20s or your 30s. You need to take a rest.
Yes, my darling, you see, the world out there is very competitive and we've got to stay on top. Do you know what it took me to build this over the decades? Dedication and hard work. I'm not just about to throw it away, you know that.
Daddy, that's why you have me. I know I can never replace you in the company, but I learned from the best, my father. And don't tell me that if you take a risk for like a week or few days, the company will fold up. That's like an insult for everything you've taught me over the years.
Chief, she's right, okay? Just a few days of rest and you'll be fine.
Okay. 2 days. 2 days, I get back to work.
All right. We can start with 2 days, Daddy.
Okay, my darling.
Right. Daddy, I have to run. I have a meeting in like 20 minutes.
Okay.
So just stay here and rest. I'll be back before you
Okay,
go.
my love.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too.
Take care. Thank you, doctor. I have to run.
Alright, Chief, I have to go too.
Okay, let me sleep. This drug is making me dizzy.
I need to go now, Cheta. I have to see Barrister John concerning the court sitting on Papa's property in sale. And from there, I'll go. But you know what you need to do? You need to keep me updated on everything. Hopefully we can raise money for your wife. You can't miss this for anything. It's just painful that I really can't access my trust fund for university education. Ever since Papa died, and Tikena has been sitting on it and she won't even allow me to come close to it.
It's okay. At least HK is doing something. I'm hopeful that he'll meet the target soon.
Imagine. This country say if someone like AGK should be abroad playing for one of these international clubs. Because every match I watch is always scoring like 3 to 5 goals. You know, he's always the man of the match. He's so skillful. You know, I pray good fate meets him soon, sure.
Yeah, he's working towards that. And hopefully God sees us soon.
I think we'll be fine.
Anyways, I have to get going.
Alright.
I'll see you tomorrow. Also, thank you so much for...
If I don't protect you, who will? See me now. I just need you to be fine, huh?
Okay.
Are you going to be fine for me? Alright. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Greet GK for me, oh.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Take care of yourself, oh.
Okay.
Kamzi,
Hi, Yese.
what are you doing here? Huh? What if my auntie had seen you?
Really?
What?
We both know she's not around, so stop lying.
So you want to be meddling in my family's affairs now, huh?
I'm only interested in what is my business.
I am not your business. I keep telling you, get this into your dumb skull. I am not your business. You see this, you and I, it's not gonna work.
Why, Uche? I really like you and you know this. What else do you want me to do? Please now.
Kamzi, I am none of your pedigree. Do you understand? Derek is there. He's in your league. Stay in your league. Do you understand me? Besides, you guys have started the segregation of the rich, middle, and poor class. So be in your league and let me be. Understood?
Uche, I am different.
Oh, God.
And you know with me, everything is going to be different. Why not just give yourself a chance to be happy? I will really make you happy.
Kamzi, I had a very, very, very long day. So please, do me a favor. I'm pleading. Get out of this place. Please.
Are you doing this because of her? Cheta has nothing to offer you. I do.
No one. I repeat, no one insults Cheta. Do you understand me? She may not come from a wealthy home, but she's contented. and we're both happy. So now get this into your dumb skull. The next time you come here and tell me this rubbish, you won't like the result. Now leave. Now.
Cheta, why is your face like this? Is it because of the food you had? Eh? Come on, I know we've been doing rice, but things will change, okay? I promise you.
It's not about the food.
Wayek, I get. I promise you things will change. Once they pay this money, I'll come and sort it out tomorrow. Now, I promise you.
Sometimes I just feel like dropping out of school so I can just do odd jobs.
Cheta!
Yes, now. It's the only and the fastest way we can save money so you can travel for your football career. Instead of waiting on fate and the hope that it's not even yielding anything positive in this country.
See, Cheta, I understand. I understand you want the best for me, but I also want the best for you too. Now, you deserve something nice too. That's why I'm pushing. That's why I'm struggling hard. See, do not drop out. Do not drop out. Just have faith. Have little faith. Everything will come out well. You hear?
And I know you didn't eat anything tonight because that was the only food left.
It's fine. I'm good. As long as you're happy and you don't plan quitting school, I am fine.
Okay. Thank you, brother. You're the best.
I know, right? I'm just happy that you're not quitting school. Good.
Ah, Chief Williams. Oh, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. No, she's not home yet. I know a young girl, she's going to let her hair loose. Oh, she's here. I'll call you back. Oh, my darling.
Good evening, Daddy.
Yes, darling. Good evening.
Daddy, we agreed no calls. Huh? You're supposed to take time out for yourself. Remember, you're supposed to be on bed rest.
What?
Huh? Business will take care of itself later. No excuses.
No. I was just on the phone with Chief Williams, and he was telling me about what you did, your exploits at the pitch. It was amazing. You amazed them. And I'm so proud of you, you know.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy, hold.
Daddy, some of the accolades goes to you, my father, because you taught me well.
And that's because you listened well, isn't it? Okay, darling, you know what? Because of this win, we will pop a champagne.
Oh, Daddy.
Let's go.
Okay, you know what? Just sit down. Let me do it for you.
I am not an invalid. I am just on bed rest. Let's go. Let's go get it.
All right, you win.
Come on, let's go.
Hi, Uche. Listen, I didn't come here to fight you, okay? I actually came to have a conversation. What do you want? All right, I'm just going to go straight to the point because I don't want to waste it out of our time and energy. We both know how much I like Cheta. And she's really beautiful and she deserves all the beautiful things of life. And between the both of us, it is obvious that I am the only one who can provide her all these things. But for some reason, she seems to be blinded by you. Okay, so I've only come to tell you, what's it going to cost me so you can leave her alone so we can be together?
What if I tell you that you're wasting your time? What if I tell you that this whole hallucination of yours can never become reality? I'm not interested.
Uche, my guy, listen, this is Nigeria. We all know everyone in this country has a price. So just tell me your price and I pay you the money and we can all go home happy.
You know the funny thing is that even if Cheta and I are no longer together, I know her. And she can never stoop so low to agreeing to the idea of being with you. So, my guy, stop wasting your time on something that can never happen.
Listen, if Cheta agrees to be with me, she's not stooping low, she's leveling up. Don't worry about me and Cheta, okay? Just give me your price and I'll pay now. Listen, I'll pay you 200,000 naira right now.
I can see at this point that you don't have anything important to do with your time. And unlike you, I have a really busy schedule. You know what? Let me give you a piece of advice. Face your studies and get alive before you allow your father's wealth rule you.
Don't you dare walk out on me, Uche. You're making a big mistake. All right, we'll see. Rubbish.
Yes, so I have arranged all the files,
Okay.
all the details you need.
All right.
They're all in there. To the secretary and everyone. So they have all the brief.
I know this house will really be empty now that you're traveling and then you're just leaving me alone, you know that.
Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy, why? Why are you doing this? Huh? Why are you acting as if I'm going forever? I'm just going for 3 months and I'll be back.
You know, I would have wanted you to have nurtured the bakery you started, at least to an extent.
Daddy, the bakery will be fine, okay? CJ is handling everything. It's in good hands and he's very good at what he does and I trust him, okay? Besides, this training will be good for me and the betterment of the company.
Yeah, I know.
I know you're very fond of me, Dad.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I know
but don't
that.
worry, I'll be back before you know it, okay?
Well, I get used to it. After all, you soon get married too, so.
Daddy was always looking for a way to bring that up. Okay, I hear you. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, right, sweetheart.
And I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah. Take care of yourself.
All right, sweetheart.
Okay. Bye, Daddy.
All right. Well, Clifford, be careful on the road. All right, my love. Bye now.
This house will definitely be empty now that she's not here. All I do, I walk. Get to the office. Yeah.
What? He did what?
I'm telling you.
This past Saturday?
Yes, now. You know that I was in a good mood. I would have beaten the hell out of him.
Well, thank God you didn't fight him, Sha. But what does this boy even want out of this life? Like, can't you do something reasonable with his life?
I already told him that it's a pipe dream that can never be achieved. You should just continue dreaming. All this work.
Sister, it gets long. Don't have a plain boy in the field.
Oh my God! Wait! Oh my God!
Where is he?
Is that Joseph?
Where is he? Where is he?
Is that Joseph?
Oh my God!
Calm down.
Calm down, babe. Calm down.
The scan revealed he has aortic valve regurgitation. It's a type of heart disease. It's a condition where the valve between the lower left heart chamber and the body main artery doesn't work perfectly.
Doctor, what do we need to do now?
He will need to undergo a surgery.
Cheta. Doctor, how do we get started?
We can recommend him to a bigger specialist hospital here in Lagos or Abuja where he can undergo open heart surgery. But for his age, a less invasive procedure known as TAVR will be safer.
Okay.
But you have to be flown overseas for that.
It's going to be fine. Cheta is going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Alright, doctor, we'll get back to you.
Okay.
Why are you crying now? Stop now. Stop crying.
The doctor said that you stand a risk of having a cardiac arrest if you don't undergo surgery.
Does that mean I won't be able to play football again?
No. He said you'll be able to play football, but it's only after the treatment.
I'm going to skate through this. I promise. But you have to go back to school. You need to study. You have exams coming up. Okay? I'll just have to call the coach and even text the club management. Alright?
And it's been how many days now? And yet no response? Okay, HK, I know you're just saying all these things to make me feel better. But I can see that you're still in pains. You're in pains and I can't just sit here and watch you suffer after everything you've done for us. Even after we lost our mom.
Chita, stop now. I'll be fine. I'll be fine, okay? Stop crying. Okay? I'll be fine.
Oh dear. Oh, who's this? Hello, my darling. How are you now?
I'm good, Dad. And you?
I'm kicking. So, how's the program going?
Well, great so far. Just a few stress here and there, but yeah, I signed up for it.
Yes. No stress, no glory, you know that. Oh, I miss you around here, you know.
Same here. You know, Daddy, I've been thinking, don't you think you need to get a wife? I mean, you already mentioned that one day I'm going to leave you to my own family. So, I mean, I think you should think about it because you may never know how soon that could be.
Somebody's about to surprise me, isn't it?
Dad, don't digress. Just think about it, okay? Daddy, I have to go. I have exams in 5 minutes. Love you. Bye.
Yeah, I love you, darling. I love you. That's an idea. You know, nobody knows how the coconut got the water. Nobody knows.
Chita, stop crying. Please, I'm pleading, stop crying. If you don't stop crying now, you will fall sick.
But the doctor said he could have a heart failure if the surgery is not done soon. I don't want to lose my only brother.
Chita, you will not lose your brother.
So why do I even find money to fly him overseas for the surgery? The doctor said that the money cost about like 1.5 million naira. Where do I even see that kind of money?
If only the court sitting was sooner now. I could have gotten Papa's property that is on sale, then we send it off to pay for the surgery.
But the court sitting is in like 3 months away. And we have to get the surgery done in like 2 to 3 weeks. How?
No, I've actually been thinking about it. That if we can get someone to borrow us the money, we'll be able to pay for the surgery. Eh? Maybe we should just swallow pride and collect the money from Derek.
Eh?
Hmm?
What? No.
It's EGK.
No way, no. That egocentric bully. Are you for real?
Cheta, it's EGK we're talking about here.
He will definitely give us one condition we can't even live with. Look, please, let's just look for another solution. Please, please, please. This thing we are saying doesn't even make sense right now. Just... let's look for another solution, please. I don't know what to think right now. I don't want to lose my brother.
You're not going to lose your brother. Everything will be fine. We'll have it sorted. Huh? Do you understand? Cheta.
You don't deserve this. This is not the life I dreamed for us. Stop all this suffering, okay? Let me just die.
God forbid. Ejike, why would you even say something like that? Hi.
Can't you see? There's nothing happening. There's no hope. Nothing is working for us.
Ejike, as long as there is life, there is still hope. Eh? What happened to your dream of becoming one of the finest international football players from Africa? You want to let all of that just die? Just like that? No, now. I'm not going to stand here and watch all of that happen. Look, we've already written to some government bodies and NGOs. So let's just wait and hope that at least one of them can come to our aid. And please stop speaking about dying, please, Ejike. Please.
But.
No buts. No, Ejike. You're going to be fine, okay? It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. Stop crying.
Thank you.
What is this?
Tell them you didn't see me. Come back here.
Don't worry, just
What is that? Come on, get out! Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Get out! Sorry. Come. Sorry. It's okay. Where's your house? Okay, come. I'll take you there, come. Okay, this is your house?
Yes, sir.
See, I know that young girls fight, but next time walk away. Don't fight, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I'll give you some money for yourself and your brother.
No, sir. No,
Hold it.
No,
Hold
sir.
it. Now, you and your brother buy whatever you want. Now, this is my complimentary card. Okay? Whatever problem that you and your brother have, just call me. Oh yeah. Make sure you call me. And take care of your brother, okay? All right.
Sir,
Hold it. It's
sir.
okay. It's okay. Hi, John, let's go.
Brother.
Hey, start talking to me and please do not lie to me.
He dropped me off at the house.
I don't understand you. That man is old enough to be your father. No, your grandfather. I saw him drop you off. When did you start doing all these things, Cheta Chuku? When did you start now? I know we don't have things, but why are you doing all these things now?
Brother Ejike, what do you mean? What are you even implying? Kamsi was the one who attacked me on the road, and then he saw me and then he decided to help me. And then he took me to the hospital to make sure I was okay. And then he dropped me off and then he gave me this money. I didn't even want to accept the money.
For real?
Yes. Ejike, I swear with everything that I hold sacred, I would never lie to you. And I would never do anything to disappoint you.
Listen, I am sorry, okay? I'm just looking out for you. I don't trust this old man, that's the truth. Okay? And as for Kamsi, I don't care who that one's father is. I am going to, she will hear from me. See that Kamsi girl? She will hear that from me. Don't worry.
Ejike, no, you don't have to do anything. I already reported to the school authorities. They said, they will handle it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Is that why you're looking like this? Look at your hair all dusty. Cannot even fight. Anyhow, I want to go and see Kochi, yeah? We need to bath like a mad person. Take care.
Okay now.
I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I'll help.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
So much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Just give me a minute. We'll go together, all right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, but take a drink.
Okay, sir.
Drink, all right?
Thank you so much,
If
sir.
you're done with that, take more.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much,
Okay.
sir.
All right. How long has it been like this?
It's about a week now, sir.
Actually, it's been over a week.
He'll be fine. He'll be fine. I will make some contacts. And then we take it up from there.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
He will be fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Sorry, educate.
Cheta.
Good morning, sir.
Cheta. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Don't be afraid. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable, eh? All right? I mean, I don't bite. I'm not going to eat you. I actually invited you alone. I wanted to see you alone because there's something very important I want us to discuss. And it's so important that we have to be on the same page. Well, in a few days, your brother will be off to Germany for treatment. So he'll be okay.
I would really love to see my brother back on his feet again. And I don't even mind working for you for 1 year or even 2 years. I can do anything, sir. I can do anything. I just...
Cheta.
I would really appreciate if you could just help us, sir, please.
Cheta.
And,
Cheta.
sir?
I want to marry you. I like you very much. I want to marry you. I like you so much that I want you to be around me, to be close to me, to be my house. Look, it has nothing to do with sending your brother to the hospital in Germany. No. It's just that I like you a lot. See, listen, I'll give you all those things you had wanted to have in life. You will have them. The world will be at your beck and call. You see this place? It's all yours. You're free to do whatever you like. Okay? I'm not compelling you. I'm not pushing you. Remember, that's why I said we should be on the same page. Your family, I'll make them happy. I'll raise their standard of living. I'll give them anything they want. You will be happy. They'll be happy. You'll be comfortable. All right? See, it's not, I know you think, okay, he's an old man, you're still a child. It doesn't really matter. Because I like you a lot. You think about it, right? You see, you don't have to give me the answer now. Take your time. Take your time. Think about it, okay? Okay? I really like you a lot. I really like you a lot. Yes, I do.
Wait, what? Oh my goodness. So, this is the reason the man told you not to come with me. So that I can spit all this bullshit, isn't it? What is wrong with this old man? What? That man is old enough to be your father. And not me thinking that I was actually trying to help and be a nice man. This? Who doesn't want with a girl that is strong enough to be his daughter or even granddaughter? What is this? And when this man not vex me, I'm very sure you must have given him the insult of his life.
I couldn't. I was just so speechless too. I wasn't expecting that from him.
To hell with him. Because at this point, I regret the fact that we actually went to him in the first place. Because what is the meaning of this?
Uche, what are we going to do now? We don't have time on our side anymore, and Ejike really needs help.
I know, but Cheta, we can't go back to that man. It's not possible. For a man like that to ask you this kind of question or want something like this from you, he has something else to do with it. He's definitely a ritualist. You know what? Probably I will just write a reminder letter to the NGOs we've written to and write a new letter to the ones we've not written to. Hopefully we get help from them. Is that okay? Cheta, everything is going to be fine. Look at me. Everything is going to be fine. Educate, nothing will happen to me.
God forbid, I can't allow you to get married to that man. Old enough to be your grandfather. Cheta, all because of my condition. Allow me die, please.
Brother, stop.
Stop what? God has forsaken us.
No, God did not abandon us.
I told you. Look at you. Look at me. Look at our life. Oh God. See what my condition is making you do. Is this nice? Is this supposed to be like this? Oh, Cheta, please don't do this. Don't get married to him, please. Just allow me die, please, Cheta. Don't, please. Please, I'm begging you. Cheta, please.
Ejike. 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 Ejike, stop this now. Open your eyes. Ejike. 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 Oh my God. Ejike. Ejike, please open your eyes, please. Ejike, please. Ejike, please. Ejike. Ejike. Ejike.
You know, I've actually been thinking ever since you told me about the dream. And I've come to realize that some bad dreams are like revelation of what will happen if we don't act on it. Cheta, how would you feel if I asked you to marry the chief as requested so that I can pay for EJK?
Uche!
Hear me out.
What are you even saying?
Cheta, hear me out. See, we need this man to pay for EJK's surgery. So if you marry him, he can get it done. And the barrister has assured me that this case will be solved. And then we can get money off the properties after I sell them. Even if it's little, we can pay this man off, then get you out of them.
Uche!
Trust me, this will work. Cheta, this will work. It's EJK now. It's EJK. It deserves this. We need to help him out. Cheta, trust me, I will be with you every step of the way. And nothing will happen. Please.
Okay. What if I decide to do it? Then what about EJK? You know he hates this man with passion. He would rather even die than let this man help him. How do we even convince him? How?
Cheta. I'm sorry, I kept you waiting. I was in a call with my foreign partners. You okay? Sit.
Sir.
Yeah?
I have agreed to marry you.
Are you sure? Oh, thank you.
Yes, I'm sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We have to hasten up the process.
Why not?
My brother is in this.
Sit down. Just sit down. Sit, my dear. Sit. You know, you don't need to worry about this. Okay? You know, I'm a wealthy man. I'm rich. I could have married any lady I had wanted. But I have a reason for wanting to marry you. I like you a lot. You see this decision you've taken? That's the best decision you've ever taken in your life. And you'll never regret it.
Sir, will my brother still travel, like you said?
Close your eyes, open it. Your brother is in Germany and he's well again. He will be okay. You will be okay yourself. I keep to my words. Okay? And anything I promise you, I'll do it. Okay? Alright? Now it's time to smile for me a bit, won't you? Come, smile for me, smile. Smile. Good. Let me get a drink. We'll celebrate this. We'll celebrate it. Okay? Ah! Da 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 dee da 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 dee da da da.
So he bought into the lie that you sold the property and gave him the money for the surgery. And now he's asking that he wants to see you so he can appreciate you before he leaves.
Cheta, to be honest with you, I don't even know if I'll be able to face him. I may relapse. You know what? Just tell him I'm out of town for something important, like probably family issue or something.
I really can't wait to see him well again. Uche, thank you so much for everything. I'm so grateful.
It's fine. I hope this works out too, so that our lives can turn back to normalcy in like 3 months and we can be happy once again.
I hope so too. Thanks for doing this with me.
Cheta, your happiness means the world to me. And I'll make sure I do every single thing that makes you happy. Every time, I'll be there for you. Come here. It's going to be fine.
Cheta, since your brother is away in Germany for the surgery, I would love you to move into my house so I can take adequate care of you, while we'll facilitate plans for the marriage proper from there. Now don't bother about taking anything at all with you. We'll shop for everything. Cheta, I assure you, this is going to be the best time of your life. It's a promise. You can drop the bag. You still want to carry it? Drop it now.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. This is my house, your house. You make yourself comfortable. Everything here belongs to you. Whatever you want, it will be given to you. So feel free. All right? Okay? Okay. Now, can I now take you to the room? Can I help you?
No, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, let's go. Are you sure I won't help you?
Yes, I'm fine, sir.
Aha. Come in. Come in. Come. You see, this, my room, our room. Yes, we'll stay here. If you don't want to be here with me, I've arranged another room for you, your room. Is that what you want?
Yes, please. Yes. I will stay in the other room like you said.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Can I help you?
No, it's fine.
It's just days Jetta left to be with Chief. And I'm already missing her like it's months. It was so easy for me to accept her doing this, but I can't help it now. Oh God, please help me.
Are you good? I got you something.
Kamzi, leave me alone. I don't want anything from you, so take this and leave.
Excuse me. When will you wake up to reality, you say? Cheta is married, and to an old man for that matter, meaning she can never be with you anymore. She betrayed you, and I am here to make you feel good again. And this is what I get in return. Another attitude. Are you for real, Uche?
You know what? The last time that I checked, I can't remember asking for any favor from you. Oh, did I? Kamzi, did I? And whatever she wants to do with her life, let her do it. It is a decision. So take this thing, go away, stay away from me. Bye.
You know what? I regret ever caring for you. And I will never bother you again. Wallow in your pain and loneliness. I deserve better. Goodbye.
Hey, don't forget your rubbish. Derek! Is something wrong with you?
You're very stupid.
Do you want to kill me?
You deserve to die.
You don't need. Eh? Is it because of your father's money and the stupid allowance they're giving you every time? See, whoever sent you and comes to me, tell them I'm not available for your bullshit. Oswald. Well,
come here, Joe. Uche, do you know you're a very stupid boy? I mean, like, do you know that you're really stupid? I mean, no wonder some people would never be rich in this life because I don't understand. Listen, man, I came to you, man to man, and I asked you to leave Cheta for me. You said no. You refused. I even offered you good money. Money that would change your miserable life. But you said no. You refused. Now look at you. He left you for a much older man for peanuts. Money will not mean anything that I could have just helped you with. Now have you seen your useless life? Let me make something clear to you, bro. I don't have time for losers, okay? So from now on,
I can never interact with a broke-ass loser like you. Mark my words. I will never forgive you. Okay? So you can continue becoming a loser as much as you want. And the next time you get in my way again, I promise I will run you over. Because as it is, a dead rat is better than you.
Now get out of there before I run you over.
Oh, bish.
This is quite sweet.
Thank you, sir.
No? Thank you. Nice. Chudy, come here. Where are you going? Sit down, let's eat.
Oh no, I already ate before I served you, sir.
Oh, Chudy. You know, we need to be eating together. That's the only way we can, bond as a couple, become compatible, begin to understand each other.
Okay, sir.
Let's cut down on this sad thing. I know it will take you a little while to understand what's happening, but I'm doing this for my heart. I really mean it. All right? Okay? All I just want from you is to love me.
I'll try, sir. Okay. Chief. Sorry. My husband.
Okay. Okay.
I'll also be going out later today. Just to get a view of the whole place.
Oh, really? That's okay. I'll transfer 500,000 to your account. So this is to buy what you like.
No.
It's okay. If you need more, just call me and I will transfer more. Alright?
No, sir. No, I'm not using the money for anything. I'm not spending on anything. I just want to get a view of other places.
Okay, the driver will drop you, okay? I'll take you.
Okay, just you can enjoy your food, sir. Sorry, my husband.
Okay.
You can eat your food. Yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, interesting. She'll get it out. She will. Interesting.
Hello, Barrister. Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. Trust you are good too, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I can't work that way. That is like adding 3 extra months to the date. Barrister, I'm disappointed at this because I've already made plans for that date. So what do we do about it now? But no, nah. Who do I call now?
Oh God! But why would you call to do this now? Now I have to wait in that house till September. September! This was not the plan now. This was not the plan. What about AGK? He's obviously going to be back before then. What am I going to tell him? That I lied to him and went against his wishes to save him? Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you going to tell him? People are probably laughing at us by now.
Well, that is not my concern right now. I'm only frustrated at this whole court thing because that is the only place I have hope of getting money for this plan. There's no other thing.
Uche, please don't leave me there. I don't want to stay in that house with that old man, please.
I can't.
Uche, should we elope?
Cheta, we can't elope now. We can't. This man has connection everywhere. Besides, AGK is still receiving treatment. If we leave now, who knows what will happen? Please, we need to allow him heal first before we can even start anything. See, Cheta. Look at me. I'm always going to be there for you. There's nothing you need me to do that I won't do. You're not alone in this. And I promised you that I will be there with you every step of the way. Whenever you need me, just call me. I'll be there. Please don't think you're alone in this. You're not. Do you get me? We'll get this solved as soon as possible. Come. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. And our plan will work out. Do you understand? Come. Everything will be fine.
Cheta! Is that the best way to welcome a loving husband?
Sir, can we not do this again? You already agreed to give me time to come to terms with these things, and that's what I'm doing.
Cheta, what else can I do for you? What else can a loving person do for someone he likes so much. Eh? I have spent about 15 million to teach your brother. Eh? I have given you fine clothes, exotic cars, wonderful apartment. What else would I give you? Now, when you finish your exams, you said you wanted to go to fashion school. I allowed you to go to fashion school. What else would I do for you? Eh? I have done everything I could have done for you. What else do I need to present? My head? Eh? What else? Now this is for you. Go get my food ready.
Okay. Chita, but to be frank with you, I'm actually not comfortable where I am now. Because what if this man comes back? What do you want me to tell him? That I came to do what? I'm very sure he has gone somewhere upstairs and he will bring it down to shoot me.
Uche.
What?
You worry too much.
I don't.
But I already told you that this man doesn't return till like 9 p.m. or even 10. And why would I even invite you to a house when I know that the coast is not clear? Now.
Okay, I've heard you, but this man again when because Chita, look at your face now. Look at your face now. Eh? You enjoy. See as your skin don't glow.
I'm not enjoying anything.
You're enjoying.
I'm not. It's just the same. Just eat, sleep, watch TV, press my phone, and do the same thing all over again.
Oh.
And you know that this fashion school is the only opportunity I get to see you.
I understand, but still, apart from his age, you're enjoying. See, skin on the glow. Look at you, my baby. Eh? See what you put at my front now. Look at this food.
I think that's his car.
Siam. Chita, you Siam? You won't send me go, my papa.
No, calm down.
What, you said I should calm down. What? Calm down what? This man will kill me now. Wait.
My husband. Welcome, sir.
Yes. Why is the gate not manned? Where's the gate man?
I sent him on an errand. You are home this early. What happened?
I forgot an important flash drive. But that's what I've been telling you. We need to be a couple. If it was so, I would have sent my driver, you give him the flash drive, and then everything will be okay. Are you alright?
Me? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Make sure when he comes back, he stays at the gate, okay? Now follow me to lock the gate. Okay. Are you sure you're right?
I'm okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Uche! Uche! Uche!
Is it?
He's gone.
He has gone, Abi?
Yeah.
Cheta, are you sure he has gone?
Yes, come, let's finish your food.
Bye-bye. Cheta, bye-bye. I will see you later, eh?
Home, sweet home.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
Thank you. Daddy, so he went ahead and got a maid without telling me. Always against, oh, we don't want inmates. Now here we are. Anyway, young lady, where's my father?
He's upstairs. And by the way, I'm not a maid.
Excuse me? Why would you talk to me in that tone? Wait, who are you, kid?
Oh, sweetheart.
Daddy!
But you said you were coming back next week.
Oh, Daddy, I missed you.
Missed you too. Okay, I know you want to surprise your dad. Welcome back. So, how was your trip?
Daddy, my trip was fine and I miss you.
I miss you so much. You're looking good.
Oh my God, you look amazing yourself.
Wow. I'm glad to see my daughter.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, who is she? Because she spoke to me rudely just now. I don't know. Whose kid is she?
But darling, you're just coming back from Germany. So why don't you go and rest? We'll talk after meal.
No way, Daddy. There is no way I'll rest without getting answers. Or just go ahead and tell me, who is she? Because she needs a lot of discipline. Yes, and I'm going to help her with that. Whose child is she?
She is my wife.
Daddy. What? No, Daddy, come on. You must be joking, right?
But you know your father doesn't joke. There is no word that comes out of my mouth that's a joke. Look, Sandra, you should calm down and listen to me explain.
Calm down and listen to what, Daddy? What do you want me to do? I should clap for you or I should celebrate you for bringing a child who is old enough to be your grandchild into this house as a wife? Daddy, what do you think people will say when they hear of this? How do you think our partners will see us? And how on earth did you even convince this girl to agree to this madness? How?
Sandra, she's 19 plus. She's an adult and she can take decisions by herself.
What kind of decisions? The decisions to go with an old man. Dad, what has this world turned into, Daddy? Eh? This is a small child that should be in school like her mates, but she's here entangled with an old man. I never thought my father to be a pedophile!
Shut up. Are you sick? Are you stupid? I'm still your father. and I call the shots here. You dare not talk to me in that way. Do you hear that? Let me make it clear. Don't try that again. Can you use such words on me? Who are you?
Daddy, all I am saying is I am not going to support you in this one. Besides, what does she even know aside her Gen Z lifestyle? Huh? I'm suggesting you just pay her off because we have a family reputation to protect.
Oh, shut up. What reputation are you talking about? I built the reputation. I maintain the reputation. Alright? You see, Cheta makes me happy. She's my wife. I love her. If you calm down, I will explain a lot of things about her to you. She's not that good digger you think she is. Oh no, she's not. And I would want you to take your time, accept her as your stepmother, and we can have peace here.
Never. Get up, you little rat.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this?
Am I the one you're asking that stupid question? Eh? What does your time say? Look at you. I am up and dressed for work, and there you are, sleeping. If this is how you've been living with my father, young lady, this attitude, it will not work with me. Do you understand me? You're supposed to be up by now, doing your chores and making breakfast as a wife should. Big man's wife. But here you are, or your parents did not teach you any manners. I'm going to forgive you for breakfast because I'm late for work. But by the time I get back, I want to see fried rice and chicken on the dining table, steaming hot. If I don't see it, you'll see Chris. Rubbish.
She's not picking. She knows what she has done. Eh? She has no right to do what she has done. You're her stepmother. She should respect that. Now make sure I put her in her place. And make sure this doesn't repeat itself, okay?
But son, you know I never wanted to stay here. But you made me do it. And now your daughter doesn't want me here. Is it not better I leave? I just want peace, please.
See, Cheta. You have as much right as she has in this house. You belong here as much as she does. She has no right to bully you. Okay? Now I'll make sure that I teach her a lesson. And that time, she doesn't repeat this, okay? Now give me that smile, eh? All right, come on. Come on. Okay. Okay now.
Let me go make your breakfast.
Okay. Cheta. No. This can't continue like this. Sandra doesn't have to do this. I must put a stop to this nonsense. She can't continue like this.
Good evening, Dad.
Where are you going? Come back here. You knew why you weren't picking my calls, right? Now you listen and listen good. Cheta is my wife. The earlier you put that in your brain, the better. And you know she is your stepmother.
Dad, I had a very long day, so can we talk about...
Come back here! What nonsense is that? How dare you walk out on me? What nonsense! Because I love you that much and I respect you? Is that why you should do this nonsense? Now that must stop forthwith. You must know that Cheta is my wife, she's your stepmother, and you know what to do. And start doing it.
A girl twice my age, Dad.
But that's what nature
If
does.
I had given birth on time, I would daughter a girl like her.
Oh, but that's nature for you.
Nature?
Yes.
No, Dad. This is all you. All I'm just trying
Enough! Enough. I won't take that nonsense again. Cheta is my wife and your stepmother. You go upstairs, freshen up, calm down, and we have dinner as a family.
I'm not hungry, Dad.
Shut up!
Good night, Dad. I'm not hungry.
Nonsense.
So what do we do now? Because it's obvious that this woman doesn't like you. Oh, Cheta, I'm thinking this is a plan for you to live there. It's an opportunity.
Well, Chief doesn't really support everything that she does to me.
Okay.
Yeah. And he's always scolding her. And then he apologizes to me with gifts.
Mm-hmm.
He's a very good man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just he doesn't look the part.
Yeah, okay. I've heard, but you know, it's just painful that this whole court thing is the one stopping us, because by now, if it was not postponed, we would have been sorting out the chief and planning on how you live there. But
oh, it's Chief.
Cheta, you need to leave now. You spent the whole day here. See, you're just calling now.
I don't want to leave. I want to spend more time with you.
Cheta.
What?
No. You need to leave now. You need to leave now.
No, I don't want to go back to that house. I feel so lonely and depressed there. Don't worry, I'll cook up a lie.
Cheta, I understand you, but at the same time, you spent the whole day here.
And so?
And you know Chief is a very smart man. I don't want him to find out what we're planning. So we need to be careful until we are done. Cheta.
No.
Fine girl. Listen to me. I'm always with you. Even if you're not, you'll be anywhere you are. I'm with you.
I want to go.
Fine girl. You need to go. I'm always with you. And I'll never leave you. But for now, you need to go.
Good evening, my husband.
Where are you coming from?
Excuse me. You already know where I'm coming from.
I was there this evening and you went there.
Says who? I was there. Or maybe I'd already left when you came in. And you know how the traffic can be.
Or you weren't there at all because nobody saw you in school today. Don't lie to me. Cheta, I have given you every single thing you wanted in this house to make you happy. I have given you all the freedom that you need, even when I don't like it. Don't make me think otherwise. If I find out that you're doing the things that married women don't do, you will not like the way I react. If you know what you should do, do it. You can go.
Hi.
What do you want?
Kamsi, must you always be this rude?
See, if you know you don't have something important to say, let me go.
Listen, I only came here to apologize. Okay, I'm sorry for the way things have been between us. We shouldn't be fighting each other. If anything, we should be closer. Kamsi, we're of the same pedigree. But not like these other kids. Okay? As a matter of fact, I have a proposal for you. What do you say we go back to you being my girlfriend? I mean, isn't that what you always wanted?
Being your girlfriend?
Of course.
Have I ever been your girlfriend? In fact, I will never be your girlfriend. I'd rather date a swine than to have anything to do with you, Derek. Your attitude disgusts me. If I knew you were going to waste my precious time, I wouldn't have come outside. Excuse me.
You're a very stupid girl. Look at this. Look at somebody I'm trying to help. Useless girl. Call me a swine. You're a pig. Rubbish. I don't need you. I don't need anyone. Look at this stupid girl. I don't need you. Fucking Derek. I don't need any of this shit.
Kamsi, how did you...
Please. Please. Do not ask me what I am doing here. I'm already used to it. I know you can never be with me, and I have accepted that fact. We used to be best of friends before the emotions sprawl, and I wanted more. It made us lose our beautiful friendship. But I know better now. Please, you see, I am sorry. Give our friendship another chance. And I promise I will respect your choice and decisions. I will never have a relapse again. Please, you see.
Kamsi, are you sure of everything you've just said?
I cross my heart. I miss our friendship.
I miss our friendship too, but you know what? It's fine. We're cool.
Thank you. Can I have a hug?
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I've heard Kamsi. It's fine.
Hey! Where do you think you're going with that? Give it here. Huh? Can't you see that I'm getting dressed to go out with that car? Or are you blind? Big man's wife. You're just up with the keys now. You want to drive any car of your choice. Do you even know how the money was made? Get out of my way.
It's okay. I'll take a cab.
Who cares? You can order a train for all I care. Now, let me tell you something. I will not let you inconvenience me in my father's house. Just get that into your tick score. Silly.
What's going on here? What's happening?
She took the keys from me. She won't let me drive.
Yes, Daddy, I am preparing for a very important function. I need this car.
Sandra, you have a car. Why are you not using your car? Or is it just intentional? You just want to do this?
Daddy?
Yes?
What's going on? Wait, who are you going to support? Are you going to support a total stranger or me, your daughter, that's been with you all along? Besides, I'm older than this girl. And the way you're talking to me now in her presence, this is one of the reasons why she disrespects me.
Sandra, Cheta can never disrespect anybody. She cannot disrespect you. Respect her, she will respect you. By the way, she is not this girl. She is your stepmother. Now let me have the keys.
Dad.
Can I have the keys now? Don't worry. Don't worry. Take. She will come around, okay? Eh? Are you going to drive yourself or you want to be driven by a driver?
Oh no, I'll try.
Okay.
I'll be back soon.
All right. Take care, okay? Bye-bye now. Okay. Where are you going with your box?
I'm no longer welcomed in my father's house, neither am I being treated as a daughter. So I have decided to just pack up and leave to preserve my peace of mind and maybe gain some self-respect, because as it is now, I've lost it.
Sandra. Sweetheart, why are you fighting someone who is not fighting you? That girl, Cheta, is harmless. Why don't you accept her? Love her like your father is doing and cohabit with her. Oh, you're wondering whether someone will take your place in my heart? That is absolutely impossible. It can never happen. You're my priceless jewel. And you will remain that.
Daddy,
Yes.
everything you are saying is the opposite of what I'm seeing right now. Yes, because if you claim you love me, then why don't you just send her away so we can go back to be the same way we were, like a happy family? I remember I told you, okay, get a wife, but not her. I don't trust her. Seriously, because... And you know deep down in your heart that she did not, or she's not even with you because she loves you. She's with you because of personal gain, and I'm really trying so hard to make you see what I'm saying.
Oh,
I don't know how to explain it to you, Dad.
Sweetheart, you're seeing nothing. Cheta is my wife, and she is your stepmother. Nothing, nobody can change that.
Right. You've obviously made up your mind. There is nothing I will say or do that will change your mind. So I'll just leave. Good luck with you and her, Daddy.
If you step out that door, you will have nothing to do with me again. You will not enter my office nor my premise, and you will not earn anything from me. Oh, by the way, if you change your mind, you have a pitch on Monday. Good luck in your decision.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Well, aside your daughter, I'm fine.
May I sit?
Yes, please.
Okay. I see. You don't need to worry about my daughter. As a young girl, she doesn't feel comfortable with my marrying you. If you were in her shoes, you react the same way. But she will come around. I see. Sandra is a very good girl. You would come to love her.
I wish I had something to say. It's all right.
Look, Cheta. My marriage to you is intentional. All right? But you are not under any obligation at all. No, there's no condition. Okay? Oh, by the way, I got a message that your brother's surgery was successful.
Really?
He'll be coming back in 2 weeks.
Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Can I speak to him now?
Yeah, I'll arrange for that.
Okay, thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
That's okay. By the way, I hope you join me for breakfast.
Yes.
I'm ready for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I need to call Uche.
Kamsi! Kamsi! Kamsi, stand up! Kamsi, stand up! What is any of this? What are you doing here?
What are you talking about?
Answer me now, what? Did you?
What did I what?
Did you?
Cheta, it's not what you think. I'm
Cheta!
Cheta, calm down now. You're screaming. Yes, I'm listening. You're kidding. Oh my, you're kidding. Are you serious? Oh God, this is such a great news. So it's Chief that told you, right? Oh my. This is such a beautiful news. You know what? I'm so happy that AGK will soon be back on his feet. Oh God. This is so great. Yes. I will soon leave here now. Yes. Okay. All right, I'll bring it along. All right, love you too. Love you more. Yes! Oh my God, I can't even do anything again. Come here.
Hey. Did someone hit a jackpot or what?
This is more than a jackpot. So, Cheta just called me now
and she told me that her brother, AGK, his surgery was successful and is going to come back to Nigeria ill and healthy. I'm so happy.
Wow, that's so nice.
You don't know how happy I am right now.
This calls for a celebration.
Yes, it does.
Let's go get a drink.
Let me change this stuff.
Sure.
Pick up! It's not my fault. Jetta, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. No.
My husband, you're welcome. Good evening.
Good evening.
You're welcome. How was work today?
He was okay.
Okay.
And then you, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm well. Oh, I made your favorite insala soup.
Oh, really?
Yes. So why don't you just freshen up and I'll get it ready?
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Welcome, my husband. Really? Chifena, you've got to find out something is actually wrong. Welcome, my husband. Oh dear. Oh dear. Chita, is everything all right? Are you okay?
Yes. Can I spend the night in my husband's room?
Oh, yes. Yes. Are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Night.
So I'm going for the surgery. How did you get the money?
Well, Uche sold off his father's property and decided to help with the money.
I thought the court hearing was in 3 months.
Well, I don't know how it happened, but his stepmother decided to be hands off the case. So Uche was able to sell off the property, and that was how we got money for the surgery. Plus, we also got some help from some philanthropists.
Where's Uche? I would like to say thank you to him.
He went to see his aunt, but he'll be back tomorrow. I'm just so glad that you will get back on your feet very soon.
Same here. Thank you, Chita.
Anything for you, my brother.
Cheta, how could you do this? Why would you lie to me? Eh? How would you get married to that man old enough to be your grandfather? Why?
What was I supposed to do? Stay and watch you die? When I could do something to save you?
You did not save me, Cheta. You killed me. I would rather be dead than watch you get married to that man. I don't understand. Why would you allow him to save you? Why?
Why?
Yes.
After everything you've done for me, you think I would just stay and watch you die? What about your dreams? Your goals, your aspirations? Look, Chief was just an opportunity for us, okay? And I took advantage of that. Look, he's not the bad person that you take him to be. He's a
manipulator, he's a pedophile, and he's a criminal. He's evil. I saw it in his eyes that day. I don't understand you. Why would you even be with him? Just look at you. See what he has done to you. What is all this, Chetana? What is all this?
He saved your life.
And ruined yours. He ruined your life. Just look at you. If he wanted to help us, he would have asked you to be his wife. For God's sake, what has he done to you now?
Ejike, can you just listen to me? Can you listen to me?
Listen. You will leave that house. You will leave that man. Else, I'm going to give you guys heat. And you know me, I'm not bluffing, Cheta.
No. I'm sorry, but I'm not leaving.
What rubbish are you talking about, eh?
Look, this is my life, okay? And I'm happy. And I want you to find yours and make the best out of it. So I'm sorry, but I'm not leaving that man. He's a good person.
Uche, can you please hear me out?
What more do you want from me? You've gotten everything you wanted. So what more do you want from me? Please, leave me alone.
I did nothing, Uche. Can you please just give me the chance to explain?
Explain what? Kamsi, explain what? What explanation do you want to give? You know very well that I am lightheaded and you went ahead to get me drunk. You got me drunk so you could get what you wanted, and you did. You got it. So what explanation do you want to give to me? Chita is there. She has blocked me everywhere. She has stopped picking my calls. So what explanation do you want to give? Tell me. Leave.
I am sorry. I really want...
I am not interested. Don't push me. Kamsi, Leave. Now.
Young man, can you behave yourself? Look around you. This doesn't look like a motor park where you can constitute nuisance. If you cannot comport yourself, I'll have you thrown out.
Listen, I am not here for you, okay? I am not here for you at all. I am here for that man you call a father. That man that kidnapped my sister in the name of marriage. Just go upstairs and call him, else!
Else what? Eh? Who even cares about your gold digger of a sister anyway?
What's going on here?
Oh, perfect.
What's going on here? Sandra, I thought I told you to tell the young man that he should sit down coming. Oh, son, sit down. Sit down, son. You shouldn't be running around like this. You need to be resting more. Oh, by the way, you've not even thanked me for saving your life.
Thank you. Please don't patronize me, okay? Don't even do that. Thank you for saving my life. Why should I thank you? Oh, you think you did me a favor, yeah? You did not do me. This was transactional, for heaven's sake. You did it so you could get married. No, so you could kidnap my sister in the name of marriage. You, go upstairs, pack your bag. We're leaving here now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Are you okay?
Why? He's your brother? Go with him so you can leave my father alone.
Sandra.
Daddy.
Go upstairs now. Right now. Young man, sit down. Let me advise you a little. You see, she's my wife and we're happy. There's nothing anybody can do about it. You need to accept, and that will make you a son. I'll change your life. I'll give you the good life, right? But if you think otherwise, I will let you know that I am Chief Engineer Atakata Abua Anu Lurini. It wouldn't be really good for you.
Listen, I don't care about your connections, your money or anything, or even your plenty names, okay? You're getting this all wrong. I am not here for your money. I am here to tell you that I'm taking my sister away from you. I give you 2 days, old man. 2 days. You, 2 days. Get your belongings and we are leaving this house. 2 days. Because if you don't give me my sister in 2 days, you will not like what I will do to you. You, 2 days. You're enjoying all this rubbish because of what? 2 days.
My dear, are you okay? You don't need to be afraid of anybody. This is your house. Feel comfortable. You want to go shopping? You sure? Okay.
Here. Everything is there is complete. Okay. This. Here. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Hold on, let me do that right now. Okay, check your phone. Do a clean job, okay?
Oh, yes, Chief. I'm offering 100 million. If you want it, fine. No, but you know I need to make profit too. I will resell. That's it. Chief, I'll call you back.
My husband.
Yes, dear. Are you going out?
Yes, I'm heading to the salon. Oh, can I use your car? I have a flat tire.
Oh, fine. I mean, what's mine is yours. So, pick it from the room. Just pull out the drawer. You know that's where the kids are.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
All right. Well, be careful, okay?
Okay.
Ah.
Daddy, please. Daddy, please. I am sorry. I didn't mean to kill her. Yes, I only asked them to threaten her so she would just run away and leave us alone. I never told him to kill her, please.
Sandra.
Yes.
What did you do?
Daddy, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't.
I pulled the trigger. I thought it was Chief. I wanted to kill Chief. I didn't know it was my sister. This doesn't make any sense because she's my one and only sister. I thought it was Chief. You know what? Just call the cops because I've done something wrong. Just call the cops.
AGK, what have you done?
Uncle, this is not the time to ask me questions. Just call the cops. I've done something wrong. Just call them. Let them take me to jail.
I also have a confession to make. Cheta is not dead.
For real?
I asked the doctor to declare her dead for security reasons. And now that two of you are the culprits, might as well keep it in the family.
Thank you, Daddy.
Meanwhile, I have another secret for you. We'll have to go and see Cheta first.
Thank you, Daddy.
Get it up.
This is our mom's picture. What are you doing with it?
Ejike, Cheta, I am your biological father.
What?
This is a test result. The DNA test result.
It's right, my children. He is your real father. In fact, that is the reason I am here to confirm it to you too.
My children, I hope you find a place in your hearts to forgive me. I was deeply in love with your mother. We dated for 5 years. And we had you both. She didn't know I was married. When she found out, she didn't want me to see you both. She didn't want me to bring you close. I was prepared to bring you close and give you the love of a father. But she rebuffed it. And she just disappeared with you both. I didn't have any contact again. And then Sandra's mom died. When Sandra's mom died, I thought it was the time to now bring everybody together. I sought for her, I couldn't find her. It pained me. Then, last year I heard that she was dead. And her death now quickened my need to have you both in my house and give you the love of a father. So I approached your uncle, Amade, who told me Cheta's go. I started trailing her. I'd go to her school, I would want to see her, but she didn't allow me to see her. Until that fateful day when she had a fight and was wounded. I now knew this was an opportunity. So of course I got her treated and took her home so I could see you. And when I saw you, I was so overjoyed. Of course, your sickness I knew was the only way I could start caring. And then I treated you. And then I got home. I began to think. I began to plan. How will I bring my family together again? You're all I have. I didn't know how I was going to get you in. Then I approached your Uncle Amadi again. And we hatched the idea of the fake marriage to Cheta. Of course, you would see that there was no physicality between us. They didn't touch you. And I kept saying that I liked you very much. I liked you very much. I felt that was the only way I could get you people back. And now that you're back, please, please, find a place in your hearts to forgive me. You're my children. Who am I doing all these things for? All this money I'm making, all this property I'm acquiring, for who? For you. I want to spend the remainder of my days caring for you people as my children, so that when I leave, I will be happy I lived. I hope you'll find a place in your hearts to forgive me.
Uche.
Cheta. Cheta, see,
I know.
Eh?
It's okay. I forgive you.
You forgive me?
Yes, I do.
Huh.
Look, Kamsi told me everything that happened and how you were drunk out of excitement and you were vomiting. So she had to be there for you. And that was when I walked in.
Yes.
She said she didn't do anything with you.
Nothing happened, Cheta.
Uche, you have to forgive her.
Cheta, we forgive her. But do you forgive me?
Yes.
Cheta, you forgive me?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I heard about Chief. I heard he's your father. Oh, this world is just deep.
Yes.
And how is Ejike now?
He's fine. He'll be traveling soon to play in Europe. It's such a dream come true.
This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for you, Cheta. Cheta, see, I'm glad good things are coming your way now. You deserve every single thing that you're getting now because you're worth it.
Thank you. You're the best friend that anyone could ever wish for. Oh, and I heard about the case. They bribed the lawyers and you lost. But I spoke to my father about everything and he's willing to help you recover everything you lost.
You're joking.
No.
Cheta, don't play with me. You're joking.
I'm not joking. I spoke to him.
Cheta. Cheta.
Cheta, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Thank you so much. I really don't deserve it.